Welcome back to my channel again. We have a train coming in. I checked the timetable, it said it was coming at 8:59. It's 8:59. We have a train coming in. This is via train number 8883J train. Friday night J train. This happens every single Friday. Today is Friday, November 25th. Black Friday. Happy Black Friday. And make sure you go shopping this weekend. If you want to go Christmas shopping, this is a really good weekend to go Christmas shopping. Because we have lots of things. There are lots of things on sale on Black Friday. It's a really good time of year for buying things, especially with Christmas coming up. But if you're watching this in like spring and summer, January, February, you can get it. You get the feeling. I get this feeling that I want Black Friday every day. Oh, you scared me a little. Jamie, you scared me. I feel it. You guys can't because but my fans can't. You guys can't because you can't feel rumbles from cameras. It's an F40 PH. Looks like it's a PH. Looks like a PH. F40. Good old F40. One buck car. 2 buck cars. 1 LRC. 2 LRC. 3 LRC. Business car. And a P42. Buck car. 1 buck car. 2 buck cars. 1 LRC. 2 LRC. 3 LRC. Business car. P42. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.